And I usually put 1 or 2 pieces of them because they're really strong. I mean, even if you smell it right now, I'm actually... yeah, that's really strong. I don't know why I did that, but I guess I wanted to make a point. And I think I'm gonna sneeze soon. Whew. Excuse me. Oh my god, there's no virus there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually gonna share to you one of my favorite pasta recipes, which is the lasagna. But I'm not doing the typical Bolognese style kind of lasagna. I'm doing a vegetarian option. And I have here with me 1 bell pepper. I usually use the yellow, or you could also use the red or orange one. 1 aubergine, 1 eggplant, sorry, no, it was in French. And I have here 2 pieces of carrots. Normally 1 large would be enough. And 1 courgette, 250 grams of brown mushrooms. You could also use the white ones. So whatever that you can buy and see in the grocery, that would be okay. And I'm adding in some like 3 pieces of jalapeno peppers because it's already in my fridge. I mean, like, why not, you know, add in more veggie, if you call it. And of course, the essential. So, I mean, 1 medium onion, white onion, and I'm using 1 clove of garlic. With this recipe, I'm using 1,000 grams of tomato sauce. I mean, like, this is 500 grams each. I'm also gonna use 1 tablespoon, or probably, I think, 20 grams of tomato paste. I'm adding 2 pieces of this, but then, like, this is optional. So a lot of people don't like it spicy, but I love everything spicy, you know. Like, if I could add them, I would actually probably add them everywhere except for my omelets, right? So of course you have the salt, the pepper, and I'm using dried basil leaves. Normally, so this is 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then 2 teaspoons as well of dried basil. And there you go, so let's get started.